Utility gloves are important in dentistry because dental professionals are exposed to a variety of chemicals and infectious materials on a daily basis. Utility gloves provide a thick barrier between the skin and these materials, reducing the risk of exposure and potential health hazards, percutaneous injuries, and chemical exposures. One of the main drawbacks of utility gloves is that they are bulkier than regular exam gloves. This can make it more difficult to perform certain tasks that require the fine motor skills or precision we need. However, the added protection that utility gloves provide is often worth the trade-off. So let's explore some of the key reasons why these gloves are so vital. First, utility gloves decrease the chance of sharp injuries or percutaneous injuries. Utility gloves are thicker and more durable than regular exam gloves, providing an extra layer of protection against these types of injuries. These injuries can result in serious infections or the transmission of bloodborne pathogens such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and HIV. Utility gloves mitigate exposure to many chemicals used in dentistry. Dental professionals use a variety of chemicals, including disinfectants and adhesives, that can be harmful if they come into contact with the skin. Utility gloves provide a thicker barrier between the skin and these chemicals compared to exam gloves, reducing the risk of exposure. Utility gloves can be sterilized and reusable. This makes them an environmentally friendly option and more cost-effective. Many types of utility gloves can be sterilized using steam or chemical methods, which allows them to be used multiple times. This not only reduces waste, but also saves money in the long run. And utility gloves are often used as a one-size-fits-everyone, which means they don't fit well, and people hate them. Utility gloves should be purchased for each individual clinical team member in their appropriate size. Many manufacturers offer a range of sizes to accommodate this need, and for a comprehensive assortment of utility gloves at competitive prices, head over to Schein and explore the collection today. This will ensure a better fit and greater comfort, which can improve manual dexterity and reduce the frustrations many have around using utility gloves. The added protection they provide against sharp injuries and chemical exposure is worth it. Additionally, the fact that they are sterilizable and reusable makes them an environmentally friendly and cost-effective option.